Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you doing? Welcome back to my English class. This is Teacher Barnabe. Welcome back if you are new here on this platform. This is our YouTube class where you learn English very, very well. We are moving as far as we can. Muraho neza, ni mwalimu wanyu Barnabe. Here we learn English very well and in a fantastic way. If you are new here, iyi niyo channel nshobora kwigira icyongereza neza kandi vuba. We are moving as far and as fast as we can. Good. Reka twigane uyu munsi w'uburyo ushobora guhindura interuro from present to past tense. Niba utari uhari rero, we have been studying English for a very long period of time. Please go in description. Uraza kubonamo video nziza cyane zagufasha kumenya uburyo wakonstructing interuro muri simple present tense ndetse no muri past tense. Hanyuma rero, come with me and let's learn English very well and very fast. So today I have very good video for you of how you can translate, how you can convert sentences from present to past tense. This is present tense, and then here we are going to put the past tense. Let us start. I go to work. Njya ku kazi. I go to work. Iyo uvuga ngo nagiye ku kazi uravuga ngo I went to work. I went to work. Nagiye ku kazi. Good. We have a meeting. Meeting ni inama verb twabivuga kugira. We have a meeting. Dufite inama. Ugiye kuvuga ngo twakoze inama cyangwa se twagize inama uravuga ngo we had a meeting. Twagize inama. We had a meeting yesterday. For example, twagize inama ejo hashize. Twagize inama icyumweru cyashize. We had a meeting last week. Good. Now, the past form of verb to have is had. The past form of verb to go is went. Now, he drinks milk. Anywa amata. Ujye uvuga ngo yanyoye amata ubwo ni muri past. Yanyoye amata ejo hashize. Uravuga ngo he drank milk. Yanyoye amata. He drank milk yesterday. Yanyoye amata ejo hashize. Wow. I hope you are learning English with me. Do subscribe, nukuri share with your this video with someone. Twiga cyongereza umunsi ku munsi neza kandi vuba. Now, I read books. Soma ibitabo. Njyewe nsoma ibitabo. Yavuga ngo nasomye ibitabo uravuga ngo I read books. Don't spell read. We say I read books. Nasomye ibitabo. Verb to read ntabwo igihinduka muri past. Ihora it's an interchangeable verb. Doesn't change. So so I read books. Hanyuma the last example. They play football. Bakina umupira w'amaguru. Ujye uvuga ngo bakinnye umupira bo batarahanga. They play football. Bakina umupira w'amaguru. Numva rero bakora buri simple present tense always talks about things that happens regularly. Umunsi ku munsi. Everyday tense is simple present tense. So they play football. Bakina umupira w'amaguru buri munsi. Ujye uvuga ngo bakinnye umupira w'amaguru. Bavuga ngo they played. Good. They played. We add ed. They played football. Bakinnye umupira w'amaguru. Maybe they played football yesterday. They played football last week, last year, like that. So, ubu buryo bwiza ushobora guhindura muri interuro from present to past tense. Ikindi kandi bafite video nyinshi zitandukanye. I'm coming back for a subscribe twigane icyongereza umunsi ku munsi. I have very good video for you tomorrow. Let's stay in touch, and I hope that you're going to learn English here on this platform. So ciao. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share to your friends, and then we learn English. You can even call us on 079 100 92 85. Ciao. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.